My father is the best father in this world. He is like a superhero to me. His presence is like a blessing for me. He has curly hair and a beautiful smile that makes everyone happy. He is 40 years old. By profession, he is a teacher. He is the strongest person. He works hard to provide us everything. He works hard whole day and still back to home with a great smile. We have so much fun together and going on exciting adventures. My father is the best playmate I could ever have, and I love making memories with him. He has a keen interest in gardening. He helps me to feed my pets. He is very kind and polite to poor. He is very smart and handsome. He helps me with my homework and teaches me new things every day. He reads interesting stories for me and answers all my questions. I learned so much from him and I feel very lucky to have such a great father. One of the things I love most about my dad is how much he cares about me. I always feel safe and loved because of my dad. I want to be just like him when I grow up because my dad is not just a father, he is a friend as well, who makes my everyday special. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grants my father a long, healthy, and joyful life.